Welcome back to a series where we show you how to make the most of in-season produce. Today we are taking a spin on a potato pave. Instead of potato, we are using tri-coloured beetroots. For the full recipe, head to meetvegans.com. So we are using the same traditional way to make this potato pave, but instead of using the potato, we are using beetroot. So taking the skin off, using a mandolin to get them real nice and thin, and repeating this process until you have finished. We are also including a sweet potato in this and some shallots. To replace a double cream in this recipe, we are making our own cream using cashew nuts, lemon, olive oil, salt, roasted garlic, rosemary and thyme with a little bit of nutritional yeast. Once that's done, you're going to transfer it to a jug and then it's the assembly process. So a little bit of olive oil at the bottom, and now we are just layering sweet potato on the bottom, cover it until it reaches all edges, and then you put a layer of the cream, and we continue this process until we have completed every single layer. Now, once this is complete, you're going to pop this into the oven and bake it for around 60 minutes. You remove the silver foil and we bake again for another 30 minutes. Now at this point, you then take it out of the oven and you add some weight. So just using canned tomatoes, whatever you have in your can cupboard, we are using to weigh this down, let it cool completely and set in the fridge overnight. Now, 24 hours later, you can remove this from the fridge, turn it out, remove all of the paper, and then start cutting this into squares. It is completely up to you how you cook this. You can eat it as is and just heat it up. You can deep fry it. You can air fry it. It is completely up to you. We are then serving ours with a chipotle mayonnaise.